Alright, family. Unknown intermodal coming in. Track 1, 2860. Trade hard. Amazing crew. I think this is 121. Well, that's odd. It's 121. But the question is, what the hell is he doing down here?
So he's not actually he's switching to VIP right now. So I don't know why they're letting him up here. He'll see how about
You ever wonder what could be in these containers?
One engine solo, he's not going to hold.
Is it me or are those double stacks tilted?
Probably are.
So stretched. Could have sworn I thought that was 435 for a second. What was that, 2860?
Yep.
We're gonna cut the video. 2860, amazing crew, unknown ID number, possibly 121. I know there was a bypass earlier when 323 and 422 showed up coming to Bramley, but not really 100% sure. 4 minutes already, still pulling. Until next time, we are gonna film him again. We're just gonna cut the video because we're not gonna film the full 20-minute video. We'll just make a movie theater of it. Stay tuned. 2860. Alright, family, part 2 of the theater train. Believe it's 121. We don't really know what's going on. It's the first time catching the train coming out from that side of intermodal at this time. 2860 had an amazing crew. They pulled in forward, filmed 4 minutes of it. Now they are reversing back into the terminal. Don't really know what the movements are right now. We believe it's 121, but we're not 100% sure. I'm just gonna assume, unless somebody corrects it. 2860. that other eastbound. An amazing crew.